Know where I'm at. I am checking out the latest and greatest bags again. Y'all, I never did get a chance to see this one. Super cute with the red trim, the leather trim. I love it. I'm here for it. Y'all, this is the Tabby signature for $475 is how much this one costs, y'all. Thank you so much for watching, Grateful Gang. Hey, make sure you like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, because y'all know I keep you in the know on what's left. I gotta check clearance before I go through this, y'all, though. Let me just go check it for you just to see if there's anything that I can tag for y'all, because y'all, it's some bags that's dirt cheap. Oh, child, they all gone. I'm at Dillard's in Clearwater. This one is $2.97 for a Tabby top handle. Oh, it's so soft, y'all. Super cute. It's not quite what I was looking for. I think I see what I was looking for, baby. And you know what? I'm about to spin it. I don't want to cuss y'all, but I'm happy. I feel like Young Miami. Y'all, this ain't it either. This one is $2.97. Wow. Why are we doing that for the chocolate? And then the stone one is going to be $2.97 as well. So wait, is this $2.97 or $2.47? Chatter say $2.97. Y'all know I can't have see. These glasses are supposed to have my prescription in them, but I'm gonna be honest with you, they didn't do a good job. And these are the Ray-Bans, because I still am struggling with seeing things, and that's a shame. Y'all, this one is the clay color bleaker for $177. It's the smaller bag, as you can see. Still a really good deal, y'all. Again, I'm gonna make sure that I tag everything that I can, because baby, I want to make sure that you get whatever I can give to you. Okay, y'all, this is the one that I'm talking about on sale. It is $285. Suede warm brown. It's not the only one though, y'all. This one is on sale too, and this one is also $285. And this is just a black leather one. Y'all, it's the Empire 34. Y'all see the size of it. Let me show you the size up against my face, y'all. I don't want y'all to see my wrinkled dress though. Y'all see how big it is? Just so you know. Super cute. Love it. It does have the feet at the bottom of this one and this one. So both of them have the feet at the bottom. Y'all, these are 40% off. It's not the only ones though. You've got this. Is this the Joni? Hold on, let me see. The Joni is $357. Then it's a denim one. That one's cute. And then the denim Tabby, that's like loved. This one is $330. Oh, that's a little high, child. This one's $332. And then this one is $417. I like the black beaded one. I seen that one was on sale too. And this one's $332. Here, I'm gonna give you this one. Can you hold it for me? I'm gonna get that one.
Okay.
Yeah. And then this one is cute. Love it. Yes, y'all. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get that last Empire that I see, but I will tag it for you just in case it is available. I hope that it is. I do want to show you, I did not realize that there was two different kiss locks though that are in suede. I didn't know it was this light one, warm brown, and then this dark brown chocolate one. I did not realize that. But one thing that I did say that I was gonna do, y'all see the love leather one? Let me see what it looks like on the inside though. I did want to check that out. Okay, it's not loved, but it's cute. And then the red one, I did show y'all that one in another video, but it's just red on the inside too. Lovely bag. This is the exact same of how my actual same leather that's on the other what is it, haversack. The haversack, that's this one. I have this in red. It's just sitting in the car. I will say it's too heavy for me to carry to the mall. Yeah, I carry a fanny pack to the mall. But this one, beautiful. It's also in a warm brown color. I don't know how y'all felt about these, but I didn't really speak on them as much. I love this bag though. This is the drifter bag. The black one's cool, but I really like it in the suede. It's a dark suede though. Super, super cute. And I didn't even realize this was on there. Didn't even realize that was there. But one thing I didn't do is look. Oh, okay, it just magnet snaps. And it has canvas on the inside. Dope. And 3 different spots. I know I love how this does like this. I really like it on the Lana. I don't see any Lanas today though. But this is too cute. And then it's in like a toffee color too. Super, super cute. Different kind of leather though. It's pebbled, but it's like real grainy. I love that. That is so pretty. Alright, I meant to show y'all this black one too. Y'all see how textured it is? That's what I love about the bag though. This is cute. This is the drifter. You know what I don't see? I do not see a rider. I don't see a rider. I did show y'all the kiss locks. I didn't show you this size, the 16. Y'all, it fits in your hands, in the palm of your hands. Super, super cute. I feel like I'm rushing through this. Probably because I'm trying to talk to the sales rep. We just be yapping. But this lady keep on getting distracted by customers. I don't want to get her in no trouble. So let me get my behind up out of here. And I do like this denim Waverly. But the only reason why I'm not into this one, y'all know I'm going to keep it real with y'all. It's a beautiful bag, but I don't like that the red is suede. For some reason, when you put suede on red, it dulls it down. You see how bright it is here? Same color, and then when you go here it's like I don't like that. It's poppy though here. And then what is this, crimson or poppy? I think this is poppy too. It's also poppy, but you see what I'm saying about the color? It's off a bit. See, looks tomato red on the Waverly. But not to try to discourage anybody from getting it. If you get it, good for you. I got it tagged for you. But I'd rather not. But y'all, I was looking for the straw bag that I did not see. Still, I haven't found that nowhere. And then here goes some clay Brooklyns. These are also on sale for $177, child. $177 for the smaller one. And the 34 is going to be $237 for the clay bag. Y'all, let me tell you, Brooklyn is a dope bag. Y'all, I just got 4 of them. I don't need no more. This straw one is $177 as well. Remember, it has the straw on the front. Love this bag too, y'all. You're gonna see something you like, I promise. But guys, that is pretty much it. It's getting packed in here though. It's so many people here. I'm over here looking at this lady's clothes. I did want to show you this one also. This is the Ergo. Y'all, for some reason, the Ergo, it's an Ergo. For some reason though, I did not ever show you guys the red, but it reminds me of the Drifter a lot. But it's not the Drifter. But it is super, super cute. I love that little clamp it here that actually comes loose. It's so adorable. Y'all, this one though is $425. Not bad, y'all. They almost the same price, if not cheaper than the Tabbies. Yet they're larger and more, you know, more interesting. And then here's a smaller version, and this one's $2.95. Now this is like the small size of a 26 Tabby. Is it a 25? Okay, it's a 25. I thought it was gonna say 26, but y'all get what I'm saying? Both of these are cute. Shoulder, y'all know I like the bigger bag. What if they came out with a huge one? They're gonna pretty much give her a Pobo at that point. But y'all, I just wanted to make sure I showed you as much sale items as I possibly could, and also make sure I went over the latest bags. We've all seen the citrus bag, and we've seen the marigold bag. I will tag everything that I possibly can, and I really, really, really appreciate you guys for taking the time out of your busy schedule and looking at these bags with me once again. One more that I never did see. That is this poppy colored Brooklyn. Is it called poppy? No, it's scarlet. It's still cute though. I did not see this one. And this is the 28. And then this one is probably going to be the 34. It is the 34. Y'all see how that color seems washed out a little bit? I don't know why that happens with this red color. It's almost like it's like the dye is coming off or something. Super cute though. One more. They have it in red on the Empire 21 and Love Leather on the Empire 21. Those really small bags. Now, I want to see if it matches at all. It does match. It does not match. Kind of matches. So if I ever needed to go there, I can get the Love Leather to match this bag just in case I never find a 40 or a 48. I think they're gone, y'all. I think those days are over, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is, guys. Well, hey, people. Oh, here's the Lanas. Not here. Sorry. This is a clay. The Lanas is over there, y'all. I don't want y'all to think that I'm misnaming bags. I don't know what this is, though. And it's not going to tell me. It looks like a Tabby, but it's not. Is it? I don't know. It's a clay one, though. I don't know how y'all feel about the clay. Oh, it's a soft Tabby. That is a soft Tabby and clay. And I do not know how much it costs, though. $3.95. Okay, so not on sale or anything like that. But super cute either way. I wanted to get a real close look at this bag. I like it. However, these rhinestones seem very scary. Yeah, I know how some of y'all are scared of beaded bags. You think that they're gonna drop off and all the beads are gonna fall off in one string. I'm scared that one single rhinestone is gonna fall out and make me look a hot mess. Like, these is definitely, I don't know. I thought this bag, looking at things online, y'all, makes a complete difference from when you see it in person. This is why I come out to these stores, so that you can look at these bags before you actually buy them. I want to show you. This looks like patchwork. I don't like this, y'all. I don't know. The most disappointing Tabby to me. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. Now, this one is $3.57. Y'all tell me how y'all feel. Am I tripping? Are y'all like, no, that is the prettiest Western bag ever? Maybe if they would have added fringe to it, it would have totally took my mind from this. But y'all, I am not feeling this bag. I do like how flexible it is, though. I'm not gonna hold you. But it's a no for me when it comes to what it actually is. You understand what I'm saying? It's a no. It's 40% off, though. I guess it shouldn't have never been hot to me. Now this one, I don't understand why this didn't sell. Like, why it didn't sell all the way out, because this bag is definitely giving quality to me. Now, I'm not saying that this is metal, but it feels like it. I feel like it's the same as this. I've seen this bag time and time again. I just showed it to you a while ago, but just the detail on this bag alone is worthy to me. It's definitely worthy. I love the tassel, and I was hoping that I would find one of the straw fringe bags, but they're not in here either. I wanted to see those, and these are the things that I 100% refuse to buy until I see it in person, because I'm not gonna love this bag when I get it home. You know what I mean? The embellished bags, am I gonna love them when I get them home? This one, I believe so. I definitely believe so. $4.17 for this bag. I believe I'm gonna adore this bag. But that one, nah. It looks like I sat at home and decided, you know what, I'm throwing my couch away today, and I just want to remember it. So I'm going to cut off the flowers from the couch, and I'm going to glue them on with a hot glue gun, and then I'm going to like put these rhinestones on it. Sad. The bags that did make it to the Black Friday 40% off sale. And as y'all can see, I'm in two different stores. This one is the Bella Satchel, and it is $2.95 initially, but it's 40% off, so it's going to be probably a lot cheaper. Let me see if I can get a price for you people. Oh gosh, sorry. Let me go to Macy's app real quick. Macy's app, where you at? Style. Yeah, I want to be part of the style team, but I need to get down to a size 16 before I even go there. Dang, that was fast. $177, y'all. $177 for this one. I'm gonna make sure I tag it for you because that's dope. I love that. Let me save that just to make sure I'm able to come back to it, because why not? But what is this one? Because this one looks much different. This is the Bella Tote, and it's $2.95, so I'm supposing this is probably going to be around the same price there. Let me make sure I put this one in there too. Dang, $177. I don't like how fast it goes. It's like, hurry up and get off of me because y'all getting on my nerves is what it's giving. But yeah, the tote and the satchel, the Bella tote and satchel, $177, y'all. So they are down to 40%. I love that. All right, y'all, I'm out of here for real. I'm about to leave y'all alone, but I just want to, these are $2.95, y'all. This one is also on sale in the small, but they don't have any for me to show you, but I just want you to see how big it is, and I will make sure I tag that one also. I think it's one something, which I'll keep in mind, those are originally $1.95. But guys, thank you so much for checking out my video. I really appreciate you people. You guys are the greatest. Bye.